Hello and welcome to Hobby Days. In this video I'll be showing you how to crochet limbs directly to the body when following a no-sew pattern, such as this adorable chenille puppy. So according to the pattern, the first thing we need to do is work the first 4 stitches. Okay, so this leg has 8 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and we need to fold it flat and work through the stitches on both sides together. Now, with the tail to the right and the body facing you, insert the hook through the front and back stitch of the leg. Pick up the working yarn. Let's just move this tail out of the way. And work through the next stitch of the body. So we now have all 3 stitches on our hook. And now complete the stitch in the usual way. You might need to wiggle the hook a little bit to get it through all those stitches. And now making sure you don't miss any part of these stitches. There's the second one. And 3. And this last one can be a little tricky. Told you it was tricky. And that makes 4. That looks good. And now we work the next 11 stitches according to the pattern. And now we're going to start with the tail to the left to make sure the legs are facing in the same direction. So there's our first one. 2, 3, and tricky number 4. There it is. And now finish working the last 7 stitches. Let's have a look. Looks good to me. Now with these tails, you can just sew them into the body after working a few more rounds. But I like to check that I haven't got any gaps or missed any stitches, which I haven't. Yay! But if I had, I'd use these tails to fix it, and then weave them in and trim off any excess. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please like and subscribe to see more, and feel free to leave a comment, and I will see you next time.